Designing an epoxy dining table that seamlessly blends elegance and functionality while incorporating live edge wood and metal legs is an exciting yet intricate endeavor. For DIY enthusiasts, this project represents more than just crafting a piece of furniture. It's an opportunity to create a stunning centerpiece that is both practical and a reflection of your creativity. By carefully planning the integration of materials, designing the table structure, and perfecting its assembly, you can achieve a cohesive design that radiates sophistication. In this guide, we'll break down each step from selecting materials to assembling the final piece with actionable tips to ensure both aesthetic and structural excellence. An epoxy dining table needs to function as a durable and user-friendly piece of furniture. Striking this balance begins with choosing complementary materials. The rich natural textures of live edge wood paired with the sleek customizable beauty of epoxy resin create a visually arresting contrast. To ensure your table stands the test of time and fits seamlessly into any home, consider the following principles. Durable top coat for everyday use. Dining tables face constant wear and tear, from the placement of hot dishes to the occasional spills. Opt for a scratch-resistant, heat-resistant finish to protect the epoxy surface. Polyurethane or resin-compatible top coats work exceptionally well. Prioritize minimalist design. Simplicity is key to letting the material shine. A clean, modern silhouette highlights the natural elegance of the live edge wood and the epoxy details. Avoid ornate carvings or overly complex designs that detract from the raw beauty of the materials. Ergonomic comfort. Dining tables are typically 28 to 30 inches tall, a height that accommodates most standard chairs. Ensuring the table aligns with this range guarantees usability and comfort for anyone seated. Live edge wood is the heart of your table. Its natural beauty, unique grain patterns, and organic shapes make it an ideal canvas for epoxy resin. Selecting and preparing the right slab is critical to your project's success. The wood slab you choose will determine the overall look of the table. Here are some tips. For wood species, popular options include black walnut, cherry, maple, and oak. Each species offers unique characteristics. For example, walnut has rich dark tones, while maple provides a lighter, more modern feel. For features, look for slabs with captivating grain patterns, not and natural imperfections. These features can be highlighted with epoxy for one-of-a-kind results. Ensure the slab is kiln-dried to minimize the risk of warping or cracking. Moisture content should be below 12%. Preparation is where craftsmanship begins. Follow these steps to ready your wood for epoxy. Flatten the surface. Use a planer to achieve perfectly flat top and bottom surfaces. A level slab ensures the epoxy pour evenly and that the legs will attach securely. For cracks and voids, inspect the wood for natural imperfections. Use clear or pigmented epoxy to fill gaps, splits, and holes, transforming them into unique design elements. Metallic pigment or vibrant dyes can add artistic flair. Preserve the live edge. Carefully sand the live edge to maintain its organic contours. Start with a coarse grade to remove jagged spots, then move to final grade for a smooth, touchable finish. Avoid sanding away too much of the natural texture. Before you pour, envision how the epoxy will interact with the wood. Sketch your design to decide whether the resin will create a dramatic river effect, subtle highlight, or completely fill the voids in the slab. Building the mold. To contain the epoxy, you will need a steady mold. Use melamine or HDPE boards as epoxy won't adhere to these materials. Ensure the mold is slightly larger than the slab and seal all edges with silicone to prevent leaks. Pouring in layers. For deep epoxy designs, pouring in multiple layers is crucial. This prevents overheating and minimizes the risk of cracking. Allow each layer to cure fully before adding the next. Eliminating air bubbles. During curing, use a heat gun or propane torch to remove air bubbles from the resin surface. Hold the tool at a safe distance to avoid scorching the epoxy. Once the epoxy cures, sand the surface with progressively finer grades starting at 80 and working up to 3000 for a mirror-like finish. Apply a polishing compound to enhance the shine and clarity. Metal legs not only provide structural support, but also adds a contemporary edge to your design. Choosing the right style and ensuring secure assembly are essential for stability. When selecting the right legs, opt for steel or iron legs as they offer the strength needed to support the combined weight of the epoxy and wood. Powder-coated finishes are both stylish and protective. Design options include trestle legs. They are classic and steady, which is ideal for farmhouse or rustic styles. X-shaped or U-shaped legs are modern and geometric, perfect for contemporary designs. Consider incorporating unique shapes that echo the table's aesthetics, such as flowing curves to match a river design. For reinforcing attachment points, install steel inserts in the wood to create secure mounting points for the legs. This prevents screws from loosening over time. For larger tables, add a metal crossbar or brace to enhance stability and reduce wobbling. Ease of assembly is an often overlooked aspect of DIY projects, yet it's vital for user satisfaction. Designing your table with straightforward assembly in mind can make it more appealing, especially if you plan to sell it. Mark and pre-drilled attachment point for the legs. Provide clear templates or guides to simplify the placement. Include bolts, washers, and nuts for a strong and durable connection. This setup is easier to disassemble and reassemble compared to screws. Write clear step-by-step assembly instructions with diagrams or photos. This not only helps the end user but also elevates the perceived value of your table. A harmonious design requires careful coordination between the epoxy and wood top and the metal legs. Paying attention to finishes, colors and proportions ensures a cohesive look. For matching finishes and colors, opt for epoxy accent. Thus, if the epoxy features metallic tones, consider matching the leg finish. Example, brown steel for silver epoxy or copper legs for amber resin. For wood warmth, black or bronze legs pair beautifully with darker woods like walnuts, while lighter woods like maple benefit from white or nickel finishes. Ensure the legs are appropriately sized for the table. Slim legs suit minimalist design, while thicker legs balance heavier slabs. After putting in countless hours of craftsmanship, it's time to let your creation shine. How you style and present the table can significantly impact its visual appeal and marketability. In the dining room, use upholstered chairs or benches to complement the table's aesthetic. Add a statement chandelier or pendant light above the table to draw attention. For photography tips, capture your table in natural light to showcase the details of the wood grain and epoxy. Take close-up of key features such as the live edge and the epoxy's clarity to highlight your craftsmanship. An epoxy dining table can complement a variety of interior styles. Tailor your design to suit different themes. For modern minimalism, clear epoxy and light wood with black legs for a sleek understated look. For rustic farmhouse, warm wood tones with matte finishes and steady black crystal legs for a cozy vibe. For industrial chic, dark wood with raw steel legs and visible welds for a bold statement. For coastal vibes, blue or turquoise epoxy pair with white legs for a breezy ocean-inspired design. Success comes down to preparation and precision. Keep these tips in mind. Double-check measurement to avoid costly mistakes. Use high-quality tools for smoother results. Ensure proper ventilation during epoxy curing to stay safe. By focusing on careful design, material selection, and thoughtful assembly, you can create an epoxy dining table that marries elegance with practicality. This project isn't just about crafting furniture, it's about creating a centerpiece that tells a story, showcases your skill, and elevates any space it occupies. Thank you for being part of our creative journey. If this video lighted a spark or inspired your project, don't let the idea stop here. Hit like, share it with fellow creators, and subscribe to join a community that thrives on innovation. Tap the notification bell and make sure you are always ahead of the curve with our latest inspiration. See you in the next video.